Grey Wolf is one of the top-selling RVs in the country
Absolutely
right now.
Great units. You know, they give you a nice indicator on the valve stems on your tires.
Yep, seeing that little green
Let
thing.
you know if the pressure's less than ideal. So just at a quick glance, you know if you're ready to pull out and go or not.
That's awesome. Should we get inside?
We should.
Let's do it.
All right.
More of the super cool black accents, the cabinets, everything, just super sweet.
Yeah, I love the Cherokee line, the Grey Wolf. You know, what's really nice with Cherokee is they've got their One Control app. You can actually control the slide out, your LEDs, the awning, all from an app on your phone. So if you really want to look cool to the neighbors in the RV park, you can sit there and do it all and not even get up from your chair. So it makes it really nice.
It's very nice. Yeah, it's super cool. I love the sink on these things because you get the black sink. Yep. It makes it super sweet.
Great
looking.
size too. Fit all your dishes in there. They really do make a nice big sink for you.
Right.
3-burner stove as well with a nice glass backsplash.
There you go.
Plenty of room there. So.
With a cutting board in the back. I love the fact that there's a cutting board in the back. A nice cutting board that serves as a backsplash, but lifts off the table so you can cut all your vegetables up. Love it.
Give you a nice 12-volt fridge. Part of their juice pack on the Cherokee line gives you a solar panel to be able to run that 12-volt fridge without a problem.
Sorry, putting this back on there. There we go. Put it on backwards. Yeah, and that's a nice looking refrigerator too. That's weird to say, but I don't know. The color is really sharp. It's really like a shiny gunmetal almost. Yeah, nice.
It shines the LEDs really nicely off on that.
Right,
too.
right.
It gives it kind of that purple tinge.
Yeah. Yep.
And then all kinds of food storage for a nice little pantry there.
Yeah, you're not going to run out of food if you get that stocked. Love it.
Interior entrance into the bathroom.
That's right. We showed the bathroom earlier, but look at that big old tub down there. Obviously not super deep, but if you got a pet, it gets grubby, or younger kids, toddlers, that might be a good place to get them cleaned up.
Absolutely is. Yep. And speaking of the toddlers, this is the bunkhouse model. Gives you a couple of nice sized bunks up there. I mean, you could even fit a couple adults in there, and they'd fit just nicely in there.
Yeah. And I like that they, I mean, it makes sense, but I do point out that there's a light in there which really lights that up back in there. Because they could have left that light out and just kept whatever light shines in there. And it's not going to be as bright as what you may need.
They give you your USB ports in both bunks there, so the kids can live in the bunks and, you know, won't be out bugging you or anything.
Right.
So.
That's right. Nice big dinette, U-shape.
Yep. And of course that goes down into a bed, so you know you've really got 3 sleeping areas right out here. If you've got a bigger family, great little unit for you there.
Right. You got a fireplace. Of course, this is where the TV goes.
Yep. Nice little fireplace. Your radio here that runs your indoor speakers as well as your outdoor. You know, Bluetooth sync to it, run music off your phone, or you can even Bluetooth your TV to it, run your TV sound through the speakers. Again, there's that mount like was outside again.
Yeah, just lift the TV and lift the TV and move it. Whoa, what's going on here?
So nice bedroom here. You've got double sliding doors on both sides, so you do have some privacy for the bedroom back here.
Right.
Great storage. And then you've got your 110 as well as USB ports on both sides of the bed with a shelf as well.
There's all the options you get on the thing.
Yeah, and again, Cherokee makes a great set of options for you to put on here. You know, got questions on those or want curious details on those options? We're all ready to answer your phone call, go over that with you, and answer your questions.
Love it.